Welcome to our exploration of CADD's view display functions. In this chapter, we'll uncover how these powerful tools help you navigate, magnify, and manage different portions of your engineering drawings. Whether you're working on intricate mechanical parts or large architectural plans, mastering view displays is essential for efficiency and precision. We'll walk through key concepts, practical techniques, and real-world examples, ensuring you gain a clear understanding of how to manipulate your drawing views. Let's begin by understanding why view display functions are so crucial in CADD and how they transform your workflow. This chapter focuses on the essential view display functions within CADD. These functions allow you to display various views of your drawing, making it possible to work on specific sections with ease. By moving, enlarging, or reducing images on your screen, you gain flexibility and control over your project. We'll cover the main techniques such as panning, zooming, and saving views and demonstrate their practical application. Understanding these basics sets the foundation for more advanced manipulation and editing of your drawings. Before diving into the functions, let's clarify some key terms. Pan refers to moving the view in a specific direction, allowing you to shift focus across your drawing. Zoom in brings you closer to details, while zoom out gives you a broader perspective. The zoom factor lets you enlarge or reduce the view by a precise degree. Viewport is a section of the drawing window with its own independent view, and window is an imaginary rectangle used to select areas for enlargement. These terms are fundamental to understanding and using view display functions effectively. Changing views is a routine part of working with CADD drawings. For example, when drawing a line across a large diagram, you might need to magnify the starting corner, zoom out to see the whole drawing, and then magnify the ending corner. This flexibility allows you to work with precision, ensuring every detail is accurately placed. By mastering view display functions, you can seamlessly transition between different sections and scales, making complex tasks much more manageable. CADD's view display functions are similar to using a telescopic camera. You can zoom out to see larger objects and zoom in for closer inspection. However, CADD offers greater precision and flexibility. You can magnify drawings to an exact degree, store specific views in memory, and recall them as needed. These functions include displaying a full view, moving the view, zooming in and out, enlarging by window, saving views, and displaying previous view. Each technique enhances your ability to work efficiently and accurately. You can access view display functions either through the command window or by using tool buttons. Each CADD program may have slightly different icons and methods, but the core functionality remains consistent. Tool buttons provide quick access to common actions like zooming and panning, streamlining your workflow. Fig. 4.1 illustrates some typical tool buttons used for these functions, making it easy to recognize and utilize them in your software. Illustrate view display functions. Let's consider an engineering drawing showing mechanical parts in minute detail, as seen in Fig. 4.2. This complex diagram requires frequent changes in view to focus on different components. By using view display functions, you can easily navigate, magnify, and work on specific areas, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. We'll demonstrate how these functions help manage such intricate drawings throughout the chapter. It's important to note that using view display functions does not alter the actual size of drawing objects. Instead, these functions simply change how the objects are displayed on your screen, adjusting the magnification level. This distinction ensures that your measurements and proportions remain accurate, regardless of how you view the drawing. Understanding this principle is key to maintaining precision in your work. CADD enables you to display the entire drawing on screen, regardless of its size. If the drawing is too large, CADD automatically reduces it to fit the drawing area. If it's too small, CADD enlarges it to fill the screen. For example, a small square will be magnified to fill the screen, while a large circle will be reduced to fit. Fig. 4.3 Screen 1 demonstrates how the Full View tool button adjusts the drawing to fit perfectly within your workspace. Moving the view or panning lets you shift the image in any direction with ease. By indicating 2 points, you can move the drawing from one location to another. Some CADD systems also allow you to use arrow keys or scroll bars for this purpose. You can even preset how much the drawing moves with each key press. Screen 2 and Fig. 4.3 shows how panning moves the drawing to the left, making it simple to focus on different areas. Zooming in and out allows you to adjust the view by a specific degree. Enter a percentage or zoom factor to enlarge or reduce the image. For instance, 150% or 1.5 magnifies the image, while 50% or 0.5 reduces it. Most CADD programs offer tool buttons for instant zooming. Screen 3 in Fig. 4.3 shows how clicking the zoom out button reduces the image by 50%, making it easy to see the bigger picture or focus on details as needed. Sometimes you need to enlarge a specific area of your drawing for detailed work. By designating an enlargement window, an imaginary rectangle formed by 2 diagonal points, you can zoom into that section. Fig. 4.4 illustrates how this process works. Select points A and B to define the window, and the chosen area is enlarged to fill the drawing area. Repeat the process to zoom in further, allowing for increasingly detailed views. Enlarging a view by window is a step-by-step process. Start with the full view, then use the Zoom Window tool button to select a corner for enlargement. Enter points A and B as the corners of the window, and the view expands to fill the screen. Repeat the command to zoom in further, each time focusing on a smaller area for greater detail. This technique is invaluable for working on intricate parts of a drawing. CADD lets you store selected views for quick access later. When working with complex drawings, you often need to revisit certain sections. By saving views and nomming them, you can instantly display any saved view with a simple reference. This feature streamlines your workflow, allowing you to switch between different parts of your project efficiently and without losing your place. Turning to previous views is simple with CADD. Just click the designated tool button and you're instantly back to the last view displayed. This feature is especially useful when you need to revisit areas you've recently worked on. You can cycle through all previous views, and some programs even allow you to move forward to subsequent views, making navigation seamless and intuitive. Different CADD programs use unique terms and procedures for view display functions. For example, AutoCAD uses commands like zoom, all in pan. MicroStation uses fit view and pan view, while CADKey uses view, zoom AUTOCLE and view pan. Despite these differences, the core concepts remain the same. Understanding these variations helps you adapt to different software environments with ease. Advanced CADD programs offer additional view display techniques, such as real-time pan and zoom. This feature allows you to instantly manipulate the image by moving the cursor in a specific direction, providing even greater flexibility and control. Mastering these advanced tools can significantly enhance your productivity and precision when working on complex projects. Most CADD programs allow you to display multiple views side by side by dividing the drawing area into sections called viewports. Each viewport can show a different view, such as a plan, elevation, or 3D perspective. This capability is especially useful for complex drawings, enabling you to compare and work on different aspects simultaneously. Imagine working on a mechanical part with detailed plan, section, and elevation views. By using view display functions, you can zoom into specific areas, pan across different sections, and save views for quick access. This practical approach ensures you maintain accuracy and efficiency, making complex engineering tasks manageable and organized. Maximize your efficiency. Familiarize yourself with the tool buttons and commands in your CADD program. Use real-time pan and zoom for quick adjustments, save frequently used views, and take advantage of multiple viewports for complex projects. These tips help you navigate large and detailed drawings with ease, ensuring you stay productive and organized. Summary: mastering CADD's view display functions is essential for efficient and precise drawing management. From panning and zooming to saving and recalling views, these tools empower you to handle complex projects with confidence. By understanding key terms, techniques, and software variations, you can optimize your workflow and achieve greater accuracy. Keep practicing these functions to become a proficient CADD user.